Dear students, welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine here. As you know that this is your class for the NCERT EVS book Looking Around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 19, Abdul in the Garden. So dear students, in this chapter there is a boy whose name is Abdul. He was helping to his father in the garden. Abdul's father was cultivating some vegetables in his garden, and today his father is clearing the dried leaves of the vegetables, and he was also putting out the unwanted grass from the garden. There were some grass in between the vegetable plants growing in the garden. That is why it is very important to dig out the grass, otherwise the grass would take the water and minerals and fertilizers from the soil. That is very important for a plant to grow. So now I start reading. It was a holiday. Abdul was helping his Abu in the garden. Abu was clearing the dried leaves and grass from the vegetable beds. Abdul started to pull out the grass from one of the beds. He found that it was not easy to pull out even the small grass. His hands became red and by the effort. You know that Abdul was also helping his father, and his father was pulling out the grass from the garden, the unwanted grass from the garden. So Abdul was also wanted to put out the grass, but the grass was so tightly fixed in the soil that his hands became red, because you know that each and every plant has root, and the root hold the soil tightly. That is why this is very difficult to pull out any plant. In trying to pull out grass, Abdul knocked down a stick that was supporting the pea plant. The pea plant is a climber. The delicate stem of the pea plant broke. When Abdul knocked down the stick that was supported the pea plant, then the delicate stem of the pea plant was broke. Delicate means the pea plant is soft, is very that is not very strong. That is why the pea plant stem broke. Abu said, Why are you pulling the grass? The roots of the grass are strong. You will have to dig them out. Abdul carefully dug out the plant. He then saw that the roots of the grass plant were longer and much more spread out than the part of the plant above the ground. He saw that the roots of the plant are much more spread out in the soil than it is over the soil. The stick, which was stuck in the ground, fell very easily. It was difficult to pull out the small grass because the root of the grass were holding the soil very tightly. So it was difficult to pull out the grass, and the stick has no root. That is why it came out easily. Do all plants have roots? You can answer yes, of course. All the plants have roots. This is for you. Look at some plants and trees around you. Imagine how deep and spread out the roots of these are.